can't send a beya, a man for being sympathy be a bit due of watching a moment and thrown or mocha. Now the question therefore is a bassa party, another akufo-addo or party more, another akufo-addo or communication room or communicators room. And when we move 2 foot to go, it is the responsibility and the onus. Yeah, I wasn't a party members, no sorry. Now, almost to church any pemu say, Ghana for me say, no, and some of them can't get no correct. Name boom, say. Who said, my last day, I said, maybe I do it's about story war. And as someone will to, someone will message your war, and also can talk and crowd team. What would your own count almost a more? You organize a press conference. Now, I can say the judiciary crime independent. Now, I can say, oh, and I will call Ghana numbers in the doors. And I can say, oh, almost warning. Warning said it can't go beyond this. It's very unconstitutional. They are talking about BBI unconstitutional, but they themselves, it can be unconstitutional. Say you cannot add. How can you tell the president or whoever say you can't add? And then your president also so on where a system now. Your BB say I asked the gatekeeper's approach, check and balances. President Akufo-Addo, no dear or nominate keke. Chief Justice or make a suggestion. Now the court to Judicial Council and Judicial Council basically said no suggestion we any juma. Enti na akahwa. Say Judicial Council jetum. Say ni pani ya na Akufo-Addo nominate no. On nominating we so say be our nominating keke. And was a co another microphone where from a Council of State. Uncle consult on say uncle no munko dia no baba yo. On the mature national. And sana Council of State eji tumwa. And sana omo huri edi nipa no asako parliament. Oduru parliament me reject nipa no. What you say? No mo so akọ no either some approve or they will disapprove. Either some be jatu and also omo nyintu. And it's like a gatekeeper's approach. And the constitution are laid down. How do you get to emu? Ebe check you. No wakuri na ko get to emu ni a check you. And you say, oh, Akufo-Addo is packing. Akufo-Addo is packing. MPP is packing. How can Akufo-Addo pack when the Council of State can in consultation? Oh, yeah, so how can the Judicial Council say, oh, yes, when Chief Justice suggests? Okay, a parliament can disapprove. And if at the end of the day, we go through all this mail, go through all this process, go through all this path of purification, yeah, you can reject or accept. Let's say eventually, justice of the Supreme Court, and now say Court of Appeal, and now say a year. How can you say Akufo-Addo is packing? That means you are even disrespecting the Judicial Council, number one. You are disrespecting the Council of State, number two. You are also kicking against the integrity and competence of Parliament. And until Akufo-Addo no want to mean sorry. And now this suggestion, yeah, can. You know, say the time be selected or be you be for a year.
Across Supreme Court and any other court.
Suggestion a bit me free. Chief Justice Waba. Suggestion a bit me free. Ghana Bar Association for Saba say your who your Crawford be or wha. The fool say omu interest. Say almost one person omuba High Court. Person omuba Court of Appeal. And almost joining the bench. Or be call for consideration. They can also make this suggestion. It is the practice. A sipen only say I can't say practice. Be a young fire long kaya young trade, but and only practice a daho. And at the same time, also they mention Attorney General. Attorney General also bet me suggest Obi. Say, oh, before say when ye, before say when ye, more consider. So Chief Justice makes suggestion. Attorney General can make a suggestion. Ghana Bar Association can also make a suggestion. Or make a suggestion in we are na court Judicial Council. Almost be deliberate.
Maybe I'm into it. Obia or Ben make a suggestion. They just a Judicial Council.
But that's what the Constitution says.
Maybe and this President make a suggestion. Say, "Young Fawe no munko." Just a court Judicial Council.
Aha, but only duty Constitution that can say nominate. It doesn't suggest or nominate. And in Nipa they never come on to say no one is okay, but nominated are Nipa way. Now only Council of State. Yeah, I find like with the businessman come here board of directors. it's like a board of directors. Oma kotrase, oma papemu, ni say. Now, and Sankrana sometimes not you have people don't know. Your national security should check background check.
Oh, sir.
Of all these people. Because
why the background check?
No, they have to do a background check. Now see how person appoint me to be a governor of Bank of Ghana. No people hire na papa. I was say your background check.
No. What I'm saying is system no more dada. Ebi obi a high court judge, court of appeal a judge. Or any juma. And he nominating a court Supreme Court.
Yes. And say take a higher responsibility. Okay. From a high court or from wherever, whether from the bar or wherever, who could take a higher responsibility. At least, if we are a high court judge, you said that you found two scrutiny. What I say, you found two, the crucible of investigation, you found two. Until now, I'll take responsibility. What's your co-worker you say now? But yeah, high court judge, you crowd, or performance to say, or background to say. I was say, check this out of my way, for qualification's sake. You are going to take a higher responsibility. And Sana, I go through. But at the end of the day, the most important thing, they say, that a year, present year, or nominating keke. Now they go through all these checkpoints. I say, oh, na you check your passport, immigration, you frame for customs. And so that eventually work back on plane. And for what you play now no crowd.
Yeah.
On that jacket will take it. That is how it is. That is how it is. In terms of phone test, who said, akufo-addo to me funny pet. Chief Justice to me funny pet. And for Judicial Council, almost informal pet. So we cry no pet, and you will be there say go through the process. It's a due parliament. Parliament can stop it and disapprove it.
Yeah, okay. The General Secretary of the NDC, Fifi, quit Onim.
Yeah, and that make us say, I don't say propaganda, any party politics. Say, what the law says, you don't want to speak the law, but you want to speak politics. Also, the Constitution, I check my out. So, over Article 144. They may pay appointment, retirement, and removal of justices of the superior courts and chairmen and other members of the regional tribunals. And Article 144 actually was specifically a quiet first chief justice. And as a for choose justices of the superior courts. Well, lay down the process. What I say, I don't want to is actually say at least I was saying 9 at least, not more than 9. What show Nina one fuck up will be out so. And unless you have a malicious intentions, and I do believe will team, and I am she will be actual. And I get press conference I say, oh, the akufo-addo all ye na juma or ye the constitutional mandate. Chief Justice, all ye the constitutional mandate. Parliament, almost your constitutional mandate.
Onti asemo no echo 20 nipa no no so.
Ya menti asemo no echo 20, echo 50 cry ha me. In as much as an insofar as say, omo mu no, omo you qualified. If they are qualified. Because omo koye adwuma because adwuma no do so. Ya cases who say case management omo you be yes afc you be call 2 pa a year sister be call yes Madina e be call anopa e be call wia e be call say this is because you speedy delivery of justice, because justice delayed is justice denied, and the justice hurried also is like justice buried. And the area say we need enough. When sometimes with my judge I was Supreme Court, but with my back, I'm sitting our Court of Appeal.
Additional responsibility.
Yes. And with me say free work about High Court. So
yeah.
Any side of my money, need na ekosu. And no akufo-addo is a legal colossus. Obia was Yambra. And for Chief Justice Tukono also to do all this. What will pay Chief Justice Tukono ni pay and administrative work and supervisory work. If any payment bibia. And the nam say, Omo you constitution what in Pope says, send a beya for to me, and my president, for to me, Emma Chief Justice, and for to me, Emma Judicial Council, and for to me, and Cheney Papa for and 7 because you have separation of powers. And nothing all this check, get them also use the word gatekeepers approach. Say, Udru has say ya. Na ya share, you bet me, I say, no, twice to call anymore and ye. And see, if Obikato say, akufo-addo pakia, yeah, be straight. Because it's a process. And now, see, or nominate you will be so. I was a nipa or called through vetting.
Okay, Parliament.
Parliament. We saw it, and then you who got for them be moving near the chief justice. Now, need to continue to tunano. And Sana, you say, oh, I need pay or qualify. And then I'm not going to follow. And the president can nominate Obia. Parliament can say no. No, you can't. Council of State can say no. Your advice they say don't present this person before Parliament. Chief Justice made my suggestion to the Council of Judicial Council. I say no. Papa, wait there. Or court of appeal. Say wait there. Or what say. You need say or qua.
Near any press conference. Yeah, at the stable court now.